In this overview video, I'm going to show you how to use the tools you've learned in Photoshop to create a well-designed and balanced concept for your clients. I've already trimmed the backgrounds of my images for the sake of time, but it is a very important part of the process to make sure that each item is completely trimmed. This is an actual client space with built-in bookcases, so I've gone ahead and scaled as well as styled these shelves in the grid tool. So we'll start with a blank concept template and arrange pieces in a way that makes sense and conveys the overall design while simultaneously displaying the details of each item. So let's dive right in. Okay, and here we have a concept board for our client that is balanced and visually tells a story of the design. So when accompanied with an explanation of your specific choices, the client should have a pretty firm grasp of how the design will be executed within their space. And this is how to create a well-balanced and visually appealing concept board.